Assignment explanation for 9.1 character profiles. Okay, so the goal of this assignment is to identify both direct and indirect characterization of select characters from Chaucer's prologue of the Canterbury Tales. And I want you to think about this because these are deliberate choices Chaucer made to have a specific effect on the reader. Now, if you don't remember what direct and indirect characterization are, you can go to the classroom and click on this link, review, and what it will do is it'll take you to a lovely handout that will explain the difference between indirect and direct characterization. Okay? So, as we're going through, you are going to write your answers on the PowerPoint, okay? Do not put them on a separate piece of paper. I want them written on the PowerPoint. You have about 5 questions on each slide. You're going to talk about the merchant, and you'll explain what his social class state is, and then you'll find out the indirect characterization, the direct characterization, what it means, and your overall impression. So make sure you're answering each parts of these questions, okay? Um, Again, you'll be going over direct and indirect characterization. You'll answer, and this one's about the miller, and you'll ask about, okay, how does Chaucer feel about the miller? Then you have the friar, and these are just portions about the friar. And again, make sure you answer the question about his estate. You see this on every slide, and you may see this on a quiz. So you might want to make sure that you write that down, okay? And don't ever hesitate to use these links that are within the assignment because they're there to help you out. Then you're going to discuss the knight, and you'll go over the characterization of the knight. And again, you have 5 questions on this slide. Additionally, there is the parson, and you'll answer questions about his estate and the direct and indirect characterization. Finally, there's some general questions I want you to answer. First, of these or any characters in the prologue, give an example of one you consider to be heroic and one you consider to be villainous. So you'll fill out both of these. And then 2, how does the mix of characters presented in the prologue connect to what you learned last week about the time period in which Chaucer lived? Okay, so consider what we learned about in that historical context assignment. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Okay, thank you very much.